Hello, good people. How are you? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts with Tracy. I want to try the Cowboy candy. I don't know if you can see that, but I don't know. I think this is the second batch I did. It might be the first batch, but I did this on October 23rd, 23. And I'm told that you let it sit for at least 2 weeks to a month or more. The longer it sits, the better it tastes. So what I have here, this is Thanksgiving leftovers. I had Thanksgiving with my son and my Honduran family, and these are called pupusas, Pupusas, which is a tortilla, thick corn tortilla stuffed with some different things. I don't know. It could be there's some meat in here and some onions and cabbage and I think carrots. I think. So I want to try this on there. It's the first time I'm trying my cowboy crack, cowboy candy, cowboy caviar, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to see. And I was told to take the tops off and I didn't. Take the lids off and store it. Let's see if I can get it open. Oh, how do you open them? Oh, okay, I got it. Ooh, look at that, y'all. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to put a little bit on here. I wonder if I should stir it up. I don't know. So let me just take a little bit out. Let me just take a little bit out. Okay, okay. And let me cut this pupusa. Let me cut just bite size. And I'm going to take a couple of these and my pupusa. And let's see what we got going on here. So for some reason, it didn't record. It didn't record me savoring this cowboy crack on top of this pupusa. So I'm going to try it again, y'all. And yes, this is my granddaughter, Mimi, Demia, here with me. We're watching Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. It's movie day for us. This is the first episode of Rudolph the Red. I believe it was made in 1964. So it's movie day. We're in the theater. Okay? So let me try this. Let me see if this will record. So there we go. Mmm. I taste the sweetness and the tanginess of the jalapenos. It's a really strange combination, but it's very, very good. What are you eating? Sweet potatoes and ham. Okay. Of course, she doesn't eat this. But it is really good. It's really good, guys. Make you some cowboy crack, cowboy candy, cowboy caviar, coyote crack. There's many names for it. If you like hot and spicy. Very tasty. And the sweetness does something. Oh no, it's good. It's spicy. It's hot. Yeah. Thumbs up. Peace out. We'll see ya. I'm gonna eat the rest of this. Oh, I was rude. My bad. I'm so sorry. I forgot. How rude of me. Let me give you a bite. Let me give you a bite. So sorry. Here. Have some. Take a big old bite. There you go. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Peace and love, everybody. Let me know how it tastes. See ya. Say bye. 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 Deuces. Deuces.